student of class 12 in accountancy. Let me start. Admission of a new partner. According to Partnership Act 1932, a new partner can be admitted into the firm only with the consent of all the existing partners unless otherwise agreed upon. With the admission of a new partner, the partnership firm is reconstituted and a new agreement is entered into to carry on business of a firm. A newly admitted partner acquires to maintain two rights in the firm. First, right to share the assets of the partnership firm. Second, right to share the profits of the partnership firm. For the right to acquire share in the assets and profits of the partnership firm, the partners brings in an agreed amount of capital either in cash or in kind. Moreover, in case of an established firm which may be earning more profit than the normal rate of return on its capital, the new partner is required to contribute additional amount known as premium or goodwill. This is done primarily to compensate the existing partner for loss of their share in super profit of the firm. Following are the other important points which require attention at the time of admission of a new partner. First, new profit sharing ratio, sacrificing ratio, valuation and adjustment of goodwill. Fourth, revaluation of assets and reassessment of liability. Distribution of now start new profit sharing ratio. When new partner is admitted, he acquires his share in the profit from the old partner. In other words, on the admission of a new partner, the old partner sacrifices his share of profit in favor of the new partner. But what will be the share of new partner and how he will acquire it from the existing partner is decided mutually among the old partners and the new partners. However, if nothing is specified as to how does the new partner acquire his share from the old partners, it may be assumed that he gets it from them in their profit sharing ratio. In any case, on admission of a new partner, the profit sharing ratio among the old partners will change, keeping in view their respective contribution to the profit sharing ratio of the incoming partner. Hence, there is a need to ascertain the new profit sharing ratio among all the partners. This depends upon how does the new partner acquires his share from the old partners, for which there are many possibilities. Let us understand it with the help of the following illustration. As for example, Anil and Vishal are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Now they decided to admit Sumit as a new partner for 1/5 share in future profits of the firm. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of Anil and Vishal, and Sumit. Sumit is admitted for 1/5 share. Therefore, after Sumit's admission, remaining share of Anil and Vishal is equals to 1 minus 1 by 5 is equal to 4/5 share. Now, the new profit sharing ratio of Anil, the remaining share 4/5 into 3/5, that's equal to 12/25. Now, Vishal's new profit sharing ratio is equal to remaining share 4/5 into 2/5 equals to 8/25. Therefore, new profit sharing ratio of Anil, Vishal and Sumit will be 12:8:5. It has been assumed that the new partner acquires his share from old partner in the old ratio. The second example is A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Dinesh as a new partner for 1/5 share in the future profits of the firm, which he gets equally from A and B. Now calculate new profit sharing ratio of A, B and Dinesh. Now Dinesh is admitted for 1/5 share. 1/5 share. This 1/5 share equally gained from A and B. Therefore, sacrificing ratio of A and B is equal to 1:1. That is half of 1/5 share, 1/5 of half, that is 1/5 into 1/2, that is 2/10. 1/10. So 1/10 sacrificed by A and 1/10 share is sacrificed by B. In this way, the new profit sharing ratio of A is equal to old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. You mean old ratio was 3/5, a sacrificing ratio of Akshay is 1/10. Therefore, 3/5 minus 1/10 is equal to 5/10 will be the new ratio of A. Similarly, B's new profit sharing ratio will be old ratio 2/5 and his sacrificing ratio 1/10. Therefore, B's new ratio is equal to 2/5 minus 1/10, that is 3/10. In this way, the new profit sharing ratio of Dinesh is equal to 1/10 plus 1/10. is equal to 2 by 10. In this way, the new profit sharing ratio of A, B and Dinesh is equal to 5:3:2.